Hello everyone, yeah, welcome back once again to my channel. This is On-Chain Mod, and in this guide I'll be showing you a new way that you can import a token into your MetaMask. Like recently, a lot of things have been added into MetaMask. You can now trade perpetuals from it. You can now do add token in different ways, make your predictions with card, and then a card has been supported. A MetaMask card has now been added and enabled. Now you can see these are some of the things that have been added in MetaMask. So now there is a new way that I can import your tokens on Telegram. All right, sorry, on MetaMask. So the first thing you have to do is that to import any token right here on MetaMask. After you have created the wallet or imported any existing wallet into your MetaMask, you have to now open it and then scroll right down below. Okay, so when you get to this particular place right here, you can see this import a token right here. You click on that import a token. Okay, after you've clicked on that import a token, now you can see right here there are a lot of networks right at the bottom corner. Right here you can see all these are various networks that you can import a token under. All right, so now the easiest way is to search for that token contract address. Now I have searched for the token I want to copy the contract address. I have copied the contract address and I've come here. I'm going to paste that contract address right here. All right, I'm going to paste that contract address right here to search for the token. Okay, so I'll paste that address right here and then I'll click on search and see automatically that token has been shown. Now you can see here now that the token is built on the BNB network. Okay, so I'll just come right here and select this, toggle this on, just highlight that little box right there. Okay, you highlight that little box right there. Now while you're doing this, always ensure that your network is very stable. All right, so now I have highlighted and now you can see here that this box has shown, so you just click on it. All right, I'll click on it and I'll click on now import. I'll click on import. All right, now one more time, whenever you see this BNB just at the bottom of this coin, it means that this coin was built on the BNB network. All right, so now I'll go ahead and click on import token. All right, now you can see imported token. You have imported a token, so now that token has been imported. All right, that token has been imported. Now for you to know that the token has been imported successfully, you can always check it out right here by clicking on these tokens. By clicking on these tokens right here, you should be able to see your tokens. All right, you should be able to see all the tokens that have been imported recently right here, showing just right at the bottom. Now I can see here the token has just displayed right here at the bottom. All right, just wait for the logo to show. It has been displayed. The token will be displayed just at the bottom corner right there. All right, the token will be displayed right at the bottom corner, guys. So this is basically how you can import a token on MetaMask. But before you import, always ensure that you change this token. You come here and select the network and highlight. Since I want to import, since I'm importing the token, or I've imported the token on the BNB network, I'll come here and change this network to BNB network. All right, and then you hit that BNB, network. Before importing any token, always select the network that you want to be using. All right, always select the network and change the network to the one that you want to use. So guys, that is basically how you can import any token right on MetaMask. If this video was very helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share, so that, and always turn on the notification button so that whenever I'm dropping videos regarding this, you will always be notified on time. So see you in the next video, and bye for now.